I noticed when I walked in, the room went dark. Somebody better call the police. There's a guy here with no heart. He said he goes by the name of Skepta. He's on a warpath, and he said if anybody touches the crown, he's gonna tear them apart. I'm a grime MC's worst enemy. I kill him and I put him in a cemetery. And if anybody thinks they're sick in the head, then I'm gonna rip him to shreds live on the stage like Jeremy. I'm going in for the kill. I won't stop even if I had a punctured wheel. Got no time for the war with Will. Squash that beef like a Foreman grill. I got a lot of man them looking out for me. The ladies, they go wild for me. Back to the front, left to the right, and everybody up in the balcony. You can tell by my accent that I'm straight out of London City. Like Wiley, like Dizzy, like Tiny, like Chippy. Let's get busy. I was in 4th, now I'm in 5th. Man, wished I was in court looking at a 6 instead. I'm on tour, I fuck off the stage, encore. Excuse my French, bonjour. Je m'appelle Skepta, aka Daniel's son. If I'm on the bill at 2, then the party starts about 1:30. I'm a grime MC and I won't change. Doing it again, doing it my own way. I'm a grime MC and I won't change. Doing it again, doing it my own way. I'm a grime MC and I won't change. Doing it again, doing it my own way. And I might recycle a bar cause my material's just too good to throw away.
I'm doing it again, the track is not me, but I'm doing it again. Skepta, yeah, I'm doing it again. Boy, better know I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again, the track is not me, but I'm doing it again. Skepta, yeah, I'm doing it again. Boy, better know I'm doing it again.
All because of the grind bars I'm spitting. MCs are talking about quitting. 25 mobiles ringing, majors bidding. Boy, better know chain swinging. I've warred with the best, 2 middle fingers up to the rest. Big S tattooed on my chest, microphone champion, no contest. A lot of man never thought I would ever get to say my piece. Can't believe the singles I released. I climbed up the chart at light speed and I made a mirror forget about Saeed. If it costs to be the boss, I paid full price and I can show you my receipt. Scars on my body from wars in the street, pain in my left arm and I can't sleep. So I'm sitting up praying for success to come a little sooner. I never suck up to no one, I'm not a Hoover. I come to fuck up the game like a sore loser. The way I turn heads, you would have thought that this was a reverse parking maneuver. And when you're listening to Boy, better know you're listening to the sound of the future. I keep my circle tight, but the question everybody's asking is who are you? So I gotta put these squares in the right place like a Rubik's Cube. I'm a soldier, what have you been through? You and your stupid crew better remember when you're talking to a chart topper, you're talking to the Lord of the Mic Part 2. I'm a grime MC and I won't change. Doing it again, doing it my own way. I'm a grime MC and I won't change. Doing it again, doing it my own way. I'm a grime MC and I won't change. Doing it again, doing it my own way. And I might recycle a bar cause my material's just too good to throw away.